Today, the mission is simple. We're going to be telling you what to look out for second-hand motorcycles and a beautiful bonus tip at the end of the video.
I have a lot of people keep asking me, what, maybe let's say the top 5 things that they can check for when buying a second-hand motorcycle, because I know that you guys don't only sell brand new motorcycles, you guys also sell second-hand motorcycles. Okay, so can we run to like 5?
Okay, say hi to Novi. He's our new apprentice. He's a bit camera shy. Say hi, team. What does R stand for? What does R stand for?
One run.
You know, baby, you know.
One round, baby.
Key features. Always check service history. Condition of the bike as well. I like to say, if you look at the windscreen of the bike, you'll see if the owner took care of the bike or not. If you get a bike like this, it's super clean, doesn't have accident damage, it's full service history. I mean, it's only 2 years old, yes, but the guy serviced it every single year from date of purchase. Literally, and obviously you see the tank pads. Okay, yes, it's got a tilt hiding and everything, but the bike is super clean as compared to one with a windscreen like this, whereas it's a little rough. But I mean, obviously it's a GS, it's been everywhere. Some bikes, yes, they will have scratches and everything on the tank. Some guys don't like the tank pads. Tires as well are a very big giveaway.
Here's another thing that a lot of people don't really look out for. If you can just come this side of the bike, if you find maybe the lever or the end bar or the crash bobbins or any part of the motor, like any part, even the foot pegs or the slip-on, if you find any scuff marks, or even the pillion peg, the one right one round pegs, if you find any scuff marks or anything like that, that's a clear indication that the bike once went down. A bike that went down is not as bad as compared to a bike that's completely wrecked up, because some guys have garage like drops, like myself sometimes. Doesn't mean that you fell while riding at like 300 or 200, no, okay, at the national speed limit, 120 kilometers an hour, and then everything got, and then everything got messed up. You can check that. Another thing, you must listen to the engine, okay?
Yeah.
Now, you know, this topic of listening to the engine is a bit of a hard one, because of what exactly would you listen out for?
Knocks, the way the engine is running as well. If it's like at high revs the whole time, that's a very big giveaway. Thing is, people don't listen anymore. Like, it's like, just get on the bike and ride it. No, you need to listen to, like, if you feel like something might be wrong, something definitely is wrong. Sometimes, yes, it might have like a little rattle, maybe something, a bolt or something is loose. It's all make mistakes, but if it's running rough, it's running, there's like white smoke coming out, black smoke.
Would you trust a bike that doesn't have service history?
No, I don't.
I
don't trust the bike without service history.
Even if it comes from me?
Even if it comes from you.
Oh, no. What are we doing here? Okay, Chile, end of show. Goodbye. Now, I've also noticed a lot of people love the GSs.
Yes.
Somebody's excited.
Yes, I am.
Because of?
It's my second favorite bike.
What's the first?
You know, baby.
I mean, yeah. You passed. Oh, you passed his test. Yeah.
If anybody is interested in buying any of our merch, put in the comment section below and we'll get to you.
Please don't ask me what that means, please. Just like my mom. So my mom this morning, as I'm leaving and I left my son and I'm walking out, she's like, what does one ride, one round mean?
Then you ran.
And then I didn't, hey, what do you mean I ran? I walked out like a man, like a G. Okay, let's go on to let's go on to the GS, and then maybe just run through some, as you say, as your favorite bike or second favorite bike. Let's run through some key things that you love the most, that you think that somebody else would also like.
Tint.
Not that much.
Mara ngasiboni mfowethu. Hey, akutholiyani ngasiboni.
O shebile yona ke. Mara ga o kota yana ke khone gore yana o tshware sentle yana o tlo. What did you say?
This job is not easy. I quit.
I quit. Here we have the new GS 1300. No. Here we have the new R1300 GS triple black, baby.
Yes.
All right. Let's go.
So, key features that I personally love. Heated seats. Both rider and passenger. So you know, baby.
You know what happened?
You know.
We're not saying anything. Okay, so we're gonna get our mannequin to come get onto the bike, and then as you run through these features, we can have a practical example.
You can get on the bike. See, this is why you never own a bike. Around you.
What's the difference between?
Okay, so before you hop on the GS's left leg here, hold the front brake first. Front brake first. Front brake, left leg, and then you. There you go. It's the easiest way to get on a GS. Key features that I love on a GS: heated seats, number one. Riding in winter, which I do a lot of winter riding, for both the rider and passenger. Second thing I love about the GS is the electronic windscreen, because some of us are tall riders and we like a tall windscreen so that we don't get any wind in our face.
تكنولوجيا 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 عشان تكنولوجيا عشان تكنولوجيا
Technology. Something that I like is that active cruise control. I'll send you a couple of videos also and then you can put them up as well. So active cruise control is exactly like the cars. They've got the active braking and active acceleration, and your lane collision warning as well with the blind spot detection.
So cruise means you can ride like this. You can just leave the bike and
Basically, but I wouldn't recommend leaving the handlebars because anything can happen at any moment. Now the cubby hole over here. So see with the cubby hole here, yes, you can put your phone. It's waterproof as well. You've got a charging port.
Yes.
Auto quickly. So if I just bring
charger.
Let's see, you've got a USB Type C charger in there, and yes, it is a fast charger.
Yo, it's mine.
So you can never complain to your wife, "Oh, hey, baby, my phone died. You got a charger on it." Is riding position. Riding position on a GS is the most comfortable thing you can ever imagine. And honestly speaking, even if your friends on RR say, "Yeah, GS can't take a corner, come, I'll teach you. Come." Where did you find this guy?
No, it is. I was telling you, we are doing features here. So now this GS
Don't press
has
the
a
booster.
PP.
Yes, don't.
It has a PP.
Yes, it has beep beep.
PP, and the PP is too loud. It's like a car. It's like a car PP. Okay, continue.
But yeah, GS's on an open road is very comfortable. On the curves is magnificent. You will not regret buying a GS. It's keyless.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I was
I'll
about
show
to
you.
ask you.
So
Where's the key?
bike has to be off
Yeah.
in the first 2 minutes, then you open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
When closing it, tilt this back up again. Press it down, give it a click, and then back in place.
okay. So where's the key? Where? You said it's keyless.
Yeah. It's
I want to show them the key.
So this is your key fob.
What does it look like?
Okay, now you guys got the information. Don't forget just to comment below and let me know what I should do next.
You know, squirrel. Yeah, it's not a squirrel. What do you call it? A turtle. It's like a tortoise. See.
So the key there is to open the seats for the passenger and rear, for the passenger and for your rider as well. Oh, your top box companions as well. It also controls those. That's to unlock the bike, and the bottom buttons to lock the bike as well. So standard on your GSs, GSAs, RRs, 900Rs, your scooters, your RTs, an anti-theft alarm system comes standard. That's your hella plug.
I want to know how to start this bike.
Okay, so we come closer.
I don't see start button.
I'll show you now. So on the previous gen, 1250 and 1200, either the start button or where you put your key in, or over here on the top yoke. It's now moved. You can leave the key in this one. It's now moved to on over here because they've made way for flex plates and a smaller frame.
Okay.
So now you press that button there. Bike's on top.
On. Make it life and life.
Yeah, you know, baby. Okay, so because this is, hold on, wait, come back here. No, not there, here, Chief, here.
Oh,
here.
okay.
So because this is the automatic version of it, you have to actuate your front brake or your rear brake. Either hold the front brake or
This
hold it.
okay.
Yeah. Hold it and then you hold the top of like and then hold it. So yeah. Because it's an automatic version, to put it into gear, you have to get off center stand or kickstand, hold the front brake and then kick it down into gear. Okay.
You don't trust me, man.
Yeah, it doesn't have a clutch.
Hey, I was about to ask.
Yes.
Tell me,
So-
where is the clutch?
It's got an electronic clutch, if I could say. When I say that, it's not like your DCTs like on your Hondas or on your cars. This is basically, it's instead of having your normal clutch, gearbox is a electronic actuator.
Now you're confusing me. So now, because I'm a new rider,
Yes,
there's no clutch.
yes.
So when I put on gear, what's gonna happen? Like, how do I?
Start moving.
Yeah, like no, not start moving. Like in most cases, I want to balance. So how do you balance it?
So because it's electronic clutch, if
Yes.
it feels like it's gonna stall, it automatically pulls the clutch for you in the engine.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's everything's electronic.
Okay. So now, like with the bike that I'm riding, the small one.
Yes.
I don't want to say is it. I need to balance. Like when there's a ramp or something, I need to
Yes.
balance. So with this bike, how am I going to? Like, is it not going to?
It's not gonna
go
stall.
off?
It's not. So anti-roll, it's instead of anti-roll, you have the hill climb or hill stop assist. Obviously, when you pull your front or rear brake, it gives you the handbrake.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's like an automatic car basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like we obviously put it into drive, and then at the steep hill, like obviously you accelerator and you move forward.
I think this bike is gonna be good for people who are like, okay, guys, there's an almost automatic bike. I think it's best because
It's technically full automatic, but not full automatic. It's like your car. You know,
Yeah.
like how in the car you have your paddle shifters, or when you put into drive,
yeah,
it's like manual sport.
this is crazy.
Exactly like
This
that.
is
Same thing with this.
I didn't know that there's a bike that doesn't have a clutch yet.
So you can either
I
put
didn't.
into drive, you'll see there, drive or manual.
Yeah.
When it's in drive, it's full automatic. You still can change obviously with the gear shifter.
Yeah.
You want to drive or manual. You'll see there. You've got the D and you got the M. And then if it's either in D or M, you can still change using the gear lever there as well, like per normal. But when it's in manual, obviously you change by yourself. And if it feels like it's like you're not changing gears when you're slowing down, like a emergency stop, it'll change down the gears for you. Yeah.
This other day, I saw this other guy riding like this. Then the bike was going. Ping, ping. I was asking myself, why isn't he pressing like that?
So on some models, even if it has a clutch as well, you've got the quick shifter,
Okay.
which is gear shift assist. You don't necessarily need the clutch. I believe you have it on yours as well, no?
Yeah.
But yours is just the up.
He doesn't have this. These are just so.
One direction, yeah. So these ones are the ones with the clutch, they're bi-directional. So either up or down, or quick shifter. But as they call it, auto blip.
Come and tell me how to adjust because I feel like I'm too short for this. How do you adjust it to be on my position that I'll be comfortable?
So because it's got the high seat, it's more suspension, it's about 50 miles higher than one with the lower seat and the adaptive vehicle height control. Yeah.
Okay, I know for sure that buying a motorcycle is a dream for a lot of people, and it was a dream of mine back then. But I'm making these videos just to show you people, or just to show the guys that, you know what, starting to ride is not just about getting on our bike and just riding. It's actually the technicalities, and especially on how, where, and why would you want to buy a bike. So it's been my mission, and it's currently my mission from here going forward, to actually show you guys everything that you guys need to know about motorcycles, motorcycle lifestyle, or even buying a motorcycle, or even fixing it, just like I have in all my other tutorial videos. And don't forget that I'm actually on a quest of buying an M1000 for myself. So these videos are really going to be able to help me to be able to buy that for myself. So by you guys subscribing, commenting will actually help me a whole lot. But you know what, for now, I just want you to comment, tell me which bike you like the most, why, and what I should do next for you. Oh, hi, by the way.
Taking on that personal goal onto myself to be able to serve you guys.